Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore how to configure the WooCommerce Shop Page WhatsApp button in the ChatHelp plugin. This feature allows you to add a WhatsApp contact button directly inside WooCommerce product loops, such as the shop page, category pages, and other areas where products are displayed. When visitors click the button, they can instantly start a WhatsApp conversation about the product. We will go through every available option and also preview the front-end result so you can clearly see how the button appears on your store. Let's begin. First, open the WooCommerce settings inside ChatHelp, and Shop Page will be selected as first tab. By default, the option WhatsApp button on Shop and Product loops is disabled. When this option is disabled, no WhatsApp button will appear on the shop page, and the additional configuration settings will remain hidden. Now, let's enable this option. Once enabled, the configuration settings become available. Now we can configure how the WhatsApp button will work on our WooCommerce shop page. The first option is WhatsApp type. Here, we can choose how visitors will connect with us. If we select Number, visitors will start a direct WhatsApp conversation with the specified phone number. Simply enter the WhatsApp number using the international format. Now, let's save the settings and preview the front-end shop page. You can see that a WhatsApp button now appears inside each product card in the shop loop. When visitors click the button, WhatsApp opens with a message ready to send. Now, let's return to the backend and continue with the next option. Below that, we have Hide Add to Cart button. If enabled, the default WooCommerce Add to Cart button will be hidden and replaced by the WhatsApp button. This can be useful if you want customers to contact you through WhatsApp instead of purchasing directly through the website. Next, we have Button Position. This option allows you to control where the WhatsApp button appears inside the product card. For example, you can place the button above the Add to Cart button. Adjusting this setting helps you control how the button fits into your shop layout. Now, let's look at the pre-filled message option. This message will automatically appear inside WhatsApp when a visitor clicks the button. You can customize this message to include product information. For example, the message can automatically include the product's name, SKU, price, and stock status. This helps you immediately understand which product the customer is asking about. Now, let's preview the front end again. When a visitor clicks the WhatsApp button, the message inside WhatsApp already includes the product details. This makes communication faster and more convenient for both the customer and the store owner. Now, let's go back to the back end and look at the next option. Next, we have WooCommerce Button Style. Here, you can choose how the button will appear on the product cards. You can display it as a simple icon button or a button with text. When we preview the shop page again, you can see how the selected style changes the appearance of the WhatsApp button. Below that, we can customize the button main label. This controls the text displayed on the button. For example, you might use a label such as, "How may I help you?" or "Ask on WhatsApp." Next, we can select the icon for button. This allows you to choose which icon appears inside the button. Then we can configure the button size, allowing the button to better match the design of the product cards. Below that, we can customize the icon color, button background, and label color. These settings help match the WhatsApp button with your website's design and branding. You can also configure the button border, including width, color, and border radius. Next, we have button padding and button margin. These options control the spacing around the button, allowing you to align it perfectly within the product layout. Finally, we have button visibility. This allows you to control whether the WhatsApp button appears on all devices or only on specific device types, such as desktop, tablet, or mobile. After configuring all the options, click Save Settings. Now, when we visit the front end on the shop page, each product card displays a WhatsApp contact button. Customers can simply click the button to start a conversation about that product. And that's how you configure the WooCommerce Shop Page WhatsApp button in ChatHelp.